In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cartoon animation videos using Canva. Let's dive in and explore the creative possibilities this versatile tool has to offer. First, you'll want to open Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, head over to their website and log in or create an account. Now, once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the search bar and select Video Templates from the options. This will guide you to a wide array of pre-designed templates specifically for videos, making it easy to get started. Next, choose the video template size that fits your project needs. You might want to consider where you'll be sharing this video to ensure you select the ideal dimensions. Is it for social media, a presentation, or a different platform? This step will ensure that your video looks crisp and professional wherever it is viewed. Now, it's time to infuse your project with some flair. Click on the Elements tab. Here, you can search for various backgrounds. For instance, you might want a dynamic setting. I searched for a busy street to create an engaging storyboard for my animation. This sets up an interesting backdrop for your characters and movement. Once you have your background, click on Graphics. This section is crucial for building a cartoon theme. Select any graphic image that suits your storyline. Remember, selecting illustrations with a cartoon style will harmonize your design, maintaining a cohesive look and feel. After selecting your graphic, you may need to resize it. Canva makes this easy. Just drag the corners to adjust it perfectly to fit your scene. After setting up your background, ensure it's centered. Precision here will make sure your animation doesn't look lopsided. Now, for the magic part, search for animated actions by clicking on the search bar again. Typing in the type of action you envision will give you choices to bring life to your project. Don't forget to use the filter option to find animated elements specifically. When you're exploring animations, click on See All for a comprehensive view of options. This allows you to browse through all possible animated elements that enhance your narrative. Once you find the animated image that fits your story, insert it into your design. You can resize and reposition it to make the scene as dynamic as you envisioned. To drive the animation, click on the selected image and choose Animate. Here's where you can select Create an animation for custom movements. Drag and hold the image to the desired position in the scene and set the animation pathway. You'll also want to adjust the animation speed to control how fast or slow the motion unfolds. Explore different movement styles and select one that enhances your project. I chose Steady for a smooth, controlled motion. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Done to finalize your animations. Finally, press play to preview your creation and ensure everything looks just right. Adjust if needed, and when all is perfect, you're ready to bring your cartoon animation video to life with Canva. Enjoy the creative process.